Alright, so next we're gonna make a Lego lion. So get your tan base plate piece and let's go digging for some 1x2 slope pieces. Place them side by side like this. Next, we're gonna place these shoe-like pieces right there and right there. Then we're gonna get a 2x3 and put it right here. So this is what your line should look like so far. Next, put a 2x2 flat piece right here. And then get some hammer pieces on the sides. It should look like that. Next, we're gonna place these pieces, but first let's get our red 2x4 piece that is flat, and then put these over here. And it should look like that. Next, we're gonna need to place this piece right here, and we need a 1x2 flat piece with a red 1x1 circular piece. And we are going to place it right there. And then we're gonna place this 1x2 piece like this, and then take these pieces and put them here. Next, we're gonna make something separate so that we can connect it to our build or later on. So you'll need these shoe pieces. Like this. And some eye pieces. And then we're gonna add this tan piece with a jumper on it. And then we're placing it like that. Then we will place this 1x1 slope piece on the nose. Then you can place it like that. And that should be what it looks like. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Hit that notification bell. And also comment down below what you want to see from me next. I'll see you next time. Bye!